and welcome to today's video. If this is your first time here, my name is Millie, and today I'm going to be talking about some new shades from Touch of Glam Beauty. These are some beautiful, super shiny, sparkly multi-chromes. And this video is sponsored by Touch of Glam Beauty, so thank you so much for working with me on another video. I'm very excited to show you these shadows. They are just the sparkliest. Some of these shades even look like they have some holographic pigment in them. Not that they're completely hollow, but they do have that effect specifically in really direct light, so like sunlight, or I used a flashlight to really bring it out so you could see. But these are just so shiny, so I'm going to be creating 3 looks, and then I'll give you some of thoughts. Right when I saw these and I swatched them, I knew these would be really something special. They just are so shiny and sparkly if that is something you're looking for. And they do also shift, though some of the shifts are a little bit less obvious than others. It really is dependent on the color. And you can see the shifts in the swatches. Overall, these are just very dimensional. There's definitely lots of different kinds of sparkles throughout as well that really get brought out with direct light. I wouldn't call them necessarily fully hollow, like they're not hollow just like their other actual hollow shades, but they do have a hollow effect, specifically the shade. That's what she didn't say. That one has so many flecks throughout it. It's really beautiful. These apply super smooth, really beautiful. I would recommend a thin layer of a tacky primer just in case if you do have fallout problems, if you do have hooded oily lids, it might be helpful. But the third look I wore for a couple hours and I had no fallout and I didn't use any sort of primer. These really just pack a punch. I did only use 3 so far, but stay tuned for a Reels video for sure. I'm going to be creating another look with one of these. I do feel like the greens are kind of similar, so I would definitely only opt for kind of one of the green options, really the tone that you prefer the most out of them, but I think they're a little bit redundant compared to some of the other shades. I absolutely love the shade Stop Complaining, Stop Competing, because it is just such a beautiful, like super extra neutral kind of multi-chrome that would just really amp up any look. So let me know in the comments below if you're interested in any of these shades and which one is your favorite. I would love to hear your thoughts. And thanks again so much to A Touch of Glam Beauty for sponsoring today's video. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you subscribe. There's so much indie makeup multi-chrome eyeshadow content uploading my channel and much more to come. You don't want to miss out. So thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you next time.